Uptown funk you up.
Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway through the crowd to an empty space. To an empty space. To an empty space. To an empty space. To an empty space.
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. If you sexed and flown it, if you freaked and own it, don't brag about it, come show me. Dance, jump on it. If you sexed and flown it, if you freaked and own it, don't brag about it, come show me. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Don't believe me, just watch. Girl said you hallelujah. Don't believe me, just watch. Girl said you hallelujah. Cause uptown funk gon' give it to you. Cause uptown funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Uptown funk you up.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need.
Said you hallelujah. Uptown funk you up.
You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car pumping. There's a muse that never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? I wanna be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot.